So we are starting another little reno project here. We're in Nictaux, Nova Scotia. The wainscoting's already been removed. What we have to do now is we're removing the top layer of drywall just from the walls itself to get rid of all this stuff with this awful texture on it. And we are going to rehang the walls. And we're going to either have to add some strapping to bring everything level or remove this strapping here, one or the other. And then we're going to finish it out after we hang the new drywall, and we're going to paint everything. Additionally, we may also be redoing these stairs and railings, removing the old railing and spindles, the old handrail, removing all this carpeting and the steps that have the carpeting. There's just plywood underneath them, and adding some new stair treads and finishing those out as well. That remains to be seen. I still have to write the quote. Also upstairs, we're doing a quote to refinish their butcher block countertops in the kitchen. I still have to write the quote for that, so we're not sure yet whether we're going to be doing it or not, but we probably are. We've done work here for these clients in the past, and they were very happy with our work, so we're going to do our best to make sure they are again. So the crew's on break, so I'll do a little update here. You can see we got about half of the old drywall torn out. There's a huge mess on the floor, but we got it on top of drop sheets, so we still got 2 walls to do. And then it's add some insulation and some strapping so we can get on to that and get the drywall hung. Well, we had a pretty good day today. We got the drywall all ripped out. We got most of the insulation in. There's just a couple little spots where some of these wires look questionable, so we're waiting for an electrician to come and look at some of this stuff just to make sure it's safe. And yeah, tomorrow we throw on the strapping. Electrician's also gonna have to take these lights and pull them out, you know, half an inch or so. And yeah, after that we're ready to hang drywall. Okay, so insulation's done, strapping's done. Got a nice clean floor to work with. Now we're gonna get the drywall in here and we're gonna get that hung. If you aren't aware, we're also doing the butcher block countertops upstairs. Separate video for that, showing the process. Feel free to watch that as well. And still waiting on final word about these stairs, but I'm pretty sure we're going to be ripping all this carpet off, replacing the stair treads, the railings, spindles, stuff like that. And we're going to be doing something with these 2 posts as well. So stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated as to how that's going. And yeah, thanks for watching. So we did get the job on the stairs here. We've done most of the demo already. Stacy did most of it herself, actually. And we're going to, we're not replacing the risers, but we are replacing the stair treads. That's why we didn't pull any of the staples out of here, because we're just yanking these ones out. And we're going to replace the stair treads. And yeah, we're going to stain them. We're going to paint the risers and whatnot. I personally think they'd probably look better replaced, but client wants what the client wants. And we're going to be wrapping these 2 posts here with drywall, basically, because the client doesn't like them, but they can't be removed because they're holding up the house. So we can't just get them out of here. They're structural. And that's pretty much where we're at as far as this goes. we're waiting on drywall to get delivered. And as soon as that's delivered, we'll be hanging the drywall and moving along with this project.